You're up, but you still feel disconnected. Your body's here, but your mind is still sorting through yesterday's weight. This flow brings you back to center. Let's hit the mat. When life feels unstable, this movement helps you rebuild your center from the inside out. Start on all fours, hands under shoulders, knees under hips. Extend your right arm and left leg out. Hold for a breath, then return to center and switch sides. Move slowly, let stability come from your core, not from rushing. I promise this move is how you unlock balance and inner control. Keep toes on the floor if lifting the leg throws off your balance. Do you feel that steady fire in your core yet? Now that your foundation is active, let's rise from the base. When your energy feels low, your glutes and core might just need to wake up. Lie on your back with knees bent and feet flat on the ground. Press through your heels as you lift your hips toward the sky. Pause at the top, then slowly lower back down with control. I promise this move is how you unlock power and posture that lasts all day. For less intensity, keep the range small and avoid overarching the back. Hold at the top for 5 more seconds. Breathe into the strength. Now that your core is awake, let's create some rhythm in your spine. When stress builds up, your spine stiffens. This move brings back softness and flow. Return to all fours, inhale as you arch your back, lifting your head and tailbone. Cow. Exhale as you round your spine, drawing your chin to your chest, cat. Move with your breath, no rush, just release. I promise this move is how you unlock spinal freedom and emotional ease. Tight wrists, come down to your forearms for more comfort. We're just getting started. Next one melts you into the mat. Now that your back's loose, let's soften your entire body into stillness. Some days you don't need to rush, you just need to be held. Sit back on your heels, arms stretched out in front or tucked by your sides. Let your forehead rest on the floor or a block. Close your eyes, let your breath slow everything down. I promise this move is how you unlock rest without guilt. Widen your knees or place a cushion between your thighs for more space. You've come this far, stay with me. We'll finish in stillness, just one last release to seal the morning. You've done the work, now it's time to surrender, soften and let go. Sit with your legs extended, inhale to lengthen your spine, then exhale to gently fold forward from the hips. Reach towards your toes, your ankles, or just rest your hands on your thighs. Let go of any tension you're still gripping. I promise this move is how you unlock calm, clarity, and deep grounding. Bend your knees if your hamstrings feel tight. You're still doing it right. Let's make this last one your strongest hold yet. Rise slowly, breathe in peace.